Kirishika. I am studying PP2 in Time Kids. Today I am telling about community helper. Do you know who is this? Yes, I am a chef, Kirishika. I wear apron and hat. I work in restaurants and hotels. I love cooking. Cooking is my passion. I prepare different cuisines, delicious food, healthy and junk food. Don't eat unhealthy food. They are not good for health. Healthy food is good for health. Now let's prepare an egg omelette. First keep the pan and pour some oil and break the egg and pour some salt and pepper and wait for 2 minutes. And your egg omelette is ready. Before cooking and eating, wash your hands. Eat healthy.